Hello kids, welcome back to my class. So kids, today we are going to start another interesting chapter, that is 23 comprehension. So let's start part A. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. Blue whales are by far the biggest animals in the world. Even the biggest dinosaur that ever lived does not come close in size to the blue whale. The blue whale is a type of mammal called cetacean and is a type of baleen whale. The scientific name of the blue whale is the Balaenoptera musculus. Blue whale live in every one of the oceans of the world. They feed in high latitudes and migrate to the tropics to breed and give birth. To eat, blue whales filter their food through stiff, bony, comb-like teeth called baleen plates. Their main diet is krill and copepods. A blue whale can eat up to 8,000 lbs of krill a day during its peak consumption period. It is estimated to take 2,200 lbs of food to fill a blue whale's stomach. Blue whales are simply enormous. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car and pumps 10 tons of blood through the massive blue whale body. A blue whale aorta alone is large enough for a human to crawl through. In the Antarctic, blue whales have reportedly reached lengths of 110 feet, but most probably grow to between 80 to 90 feet long. They can weigh over 200 tons or 4 lakh pounds. Female blue whales are generally larger than males, and northern hemisphere blue whales are generally smaller than those in the southern hemisphere. Blue whales are light bluish gray on their dorsal side and malted gray-whitish on their bellies. Some have yellowish bellies. A baby blue whale is called calf. When the baby is born, it is as large as an elephant and grows very quickly. It will gain around 200 pounds a day and be about 50 feet long at the age of 6 months. A baby blue whale will live off its mother's milk for the first 6 months, at which point it will have grown its baleen plates so it can eat krill. The blue whale is also the loudest animal on the planet. Scientists do not know why blue whales sing, but they do know that they sing loudly. A typical blue whale call will last for 10 to 30 seconds and it is a very low frequency sound between 10 and 40 Hz. This means that we may not be able to even hear this loud whale call, as most humans can only hear down to around 20 Hz. Now students, tick the correct options. First, which of the animals are the biggest animals in the world? Polar bears, leopard, blue whales. So students, do you know the right answer? Yes, it's option C, blue whales. So similarly, read the paragraph carefully and do the rest questions by yourself. Now, read the following poem and answer the question that follows. Up into the cherry tree, who should climb but little me? I held the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad in foreign lands. I saw the next door garden lie, adorned with flowers before my eye, and many pleasant places move that I have never seen before. I saw a dimpling river pass and be the sky's blue-looking glass. The dusty roads go up and down with people tramping into town. If I could find a higher tree, farther and farther I should see, to where the ground of river slips into a sea among the ships, to where the roads on either hand lead onwards into fairyland, where all the children dine at 5 and where all the playthings come alive. Now students, answer these questions. First, in the poem, what does the poet mean by saying foreign? So students, by foreign, the poet means an abroad country. So in this way, read the poem carefully once again and answer the questions by yourself. That's all for today. Bye-bye class.